The friendship between the Americans and the South African one is very important in that they really helped us to be able to deliver quality palliative care to our patients.
Here in South Africa, what we're working on is the spectrum of HIV care, prevention, and treatment. The United States Agency for International Development, with the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, this year will be supporting South African NGOs, community-based organizations, and hospices with about $600 million in funding. In Soweto Hospice, this year they'll receive $350,000 in funding that will be targeted at supporting the staff and the caregivers to get out to the communities, to see individuals in their homes, to help children with a safe place, provide them with support, provide them with meals.
HIV/AIDS has really affected Soweto at large. Every second house, it's possible that you find somebody who's infected, and the need for care and our services is really growing.
The USAID, they've done a lot. They pay the salaries for the home-based care sisters, and they also provide the transport for the whole home-based care system.
For the total number of patients who are under my care, it's about more than 100. The food that I bring to them is nutritious. Things like split peas, oats, to make sure that the whole family gets nutritious food.
Soweto Hospice for me is a near and dear place. I see little babies after 6 months that have been on treatment and are beginning to flourish and grow. And again, it gives you that sense of opportunity. It gives you that sense of hope. It gives you that sense of, we can beat this thing. We can beat this thing called HIV. They teach us a lot about what's inside our hearts and what we can do if we're willing.
I would say, the Americans are really good friends. They really support us. They really understand what we are going through.
It takes a community approach to have a program like this be as successful as it is. And it's nice that the U.S. government recognizes the power of community, recognizes the power of partnership, and partners with organizations like Soweto Hospice.
The future is looking better. As long as we have this partnership with the Americans, I think the future is very bright.